In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a course in Teachable. If you've ever wanted to spin up a new version of an existing course, maybe to experiment with updated lessons, run a special cohort, or create a template you can reuse, duplicating your course is the fastest, safest way to do it without touching your original content. First, sign into your Teachable account. Make sure you're using the correct school and that you have the right permissions to manage courses. If you work with a team, confirm you're on the admin or owner account that can access course settings. A stable internet connection helps here because the process relies on the dashboard updating in real time. Once you're in, head straight to the courses area. Depending on your layout, you'll see courses in the main navigation or the sidebar. This is the home base for everything you've built. The page will list all your courses along with quick details like status and visibility, so you can easily tell which one you're about to work with. Next, locate the course you want to duplicate. If you have a long list, use the search field to type part of the course title. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. Double-check the thumbnail or subtitle if you use them, so the copy you create matches what you expect. This extra glance saves time if you manage similar course names. On the right side of that courses row, look for the triple dot icon. This is the More Options menu, sometimes shown as 3 vertical dots. Click that icon to reveal additional actions for this specific course. If you don't see the dots, make sure you're on the main courses list view, not inside the course editor. From the menu that appears, click Duplicate Course. Teachable will start creating a copy of your course behind the scenes. You'll typically see the new version appear in your course list with a name like Copy Of, followed by your original title. Most core content, like sections and lectures, will be included in the duplicate, while things like student enrollments and historical data generally won't carry over. That's exactly what you want when creating a clean slate based on a proven structure. Give it a moment if your course is large. The copy may take a bit to generate. Once it appears, you're all set. You now have a safe duplicate you can use for testing, versioning, or launching a fresh cohort, without risking any changes to your original.